Today, I'll introduce laser level in detail, battery, and magnetic bracket. How to install the battery and how to install the magnetic bracket. Screw the screw on the magnetic mount into the tripod thread. The magnetic bracket can be absorbed on the iron frame. Second, I'll show the two modes of the laser level in detail. The first is the self-balancing mode. When you push the locking compensator button up, the laser level is in locking mode with automatic leveling within 6S. The second is the locking mode. When you push the locking compensator button down, the laser line will be in a tilted state. Show crosshairs, vertical lines, and horizontal lines. Third, it is recommended to use it in a dark indoor environment or you will not be able to see clearly. Finally, how to keep the laser line level. After the laser line is level, the continuation must be maintained. Keep still. You cannot touch and lock the laser line.